Cashback sounds like free money. Money back on groceries. Money back on gas. But here's the truth. For most Americans, cashback doesn't work at all. Millions of people in the United States use cashback credit cards every month, but only a small number actually benefit from them. Most people believe that simply owning a cashback card is enough. It's not. In this video, I'll explain why cashback fails for most people and who really benefits from it in 2026. Reason number 1, cashback looks bigger than it is. 2% cashback sounds great, but on $1,000, that's only $20. One late payment or 1 month of interest, and that cashback disappears instantly. Cashback only works when everything is done right. Reason number 2. One card, wrong spending. Many people use one credit card for everything: groceries, gas, bills. But cashback rewards are not equal. Using the wrong card means earning less money on the exact same spending. Most people never notice this. Reason number 3. Cashback creates false savings. Some people feel smart when they earn cashback, so they start spending more. That's a trap. Spending extra money to earn a few dollars back is not smart finance. Cashback should follow your spending, not control it. Now, question is, who cashback actually works for? Cashback works for people who pay their full credit card bill every month, match their cards to their spending, and never change their lifestyle for rewards. For them, cashback becomes real money. For everyone else, it's just good marketing. Cashback is not bad, but it's not magic. Used correctly, it rewards normal spending. Used the wrong way, it creates the feeling of saving while quietly costing more. In 2026, smart Americans don't chase cashback. They understand. If you found this video helpful, please like the video. It really helps the channel grow. You can also share this video with anyone who uses a credit card in the United States. And don't forget to subscribe, because on this channel, we explain U.S. finance in a simple and honest way. Now, if you want to understand which cashback credit cards actually make sense, how much cashback you can realistically earn, and how to choose the right card for your lifestyle, click on the video on your screen now. I'll see you there.